Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Made for Now 757. The song is Made for Now, the artist is Janet Jackson, and the choreography is Akili McLamore. If you or someone you know is located in the New Orleans area and interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. Giving a big NOLA shout out to NWI, Northwest Indiana line dancers out of Hammond, Indiana. Hey guys, check out this beautiful shirt. I love it. I love it. Thank you, Mr. Silas Perkins. Thank you. Thank you for my shirt. So I'm giving a shout out to the instructor, Deborah Jefferson. So if you're located in the Hammond, Indiana area and you're interested in line dancing classes, please go to her Facebook page, Deborah Jefferson. So guys, make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience. It's a 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July 7th through the 10th, 2021. We're getting ready right now. You can go over to our website and book your hotel. Registration opens June 1st, 2021. So again, the NOLA Southern Experience is July 7th through the 10th, 2022. Okay, registration opens June 1st, 2021. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. So here we go. watching. That was Made for Now 757. Make sure you check out my website at www.LMIUNOLA.com for the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend, July 7th through the 10th, 2022. You can book your hotel right now, and registration opens June 1st, 2021. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.